Hi, my name is Christelle, and today we'll be doing experiment 3 called single displacement.
Yep, this is James. So the first step in our procedure is we're going to take 150 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask out, and we're going to fill that with 15 milliliters of hydrochloric acid. So in our materials here, we'll find hydrochloric acid, six molarity, by the way, and we'll put 15 milliliters in. And then the next step is we're going to close the flask so we can double click it and then press closed. And then we're going to be doing some readings on it. So we'll go to instruments and we will take the temperature with the thermometer. And we will take the pressure with the pressure gauge. So now it's time for our reaction. So what materials are we going to be using?
We're going to be using zinc and hydrochloric acid.
Okay, so we'll find our zinc and we will add how much zinc to the equation?
0.25 grams.
So we'll zoom in so we can see what's happening. 0.25 grams. Oh, looks like something's happening. Whoa.
So while we wait for the temperature to go down, we can go over the formula and what's happening. So we have zinc and then we have hydrochloric acid. So we need to balance the equation because there's one zinc on the left side, one zinc on the right side, but then there are two hydrogens and on the right side and only one on the left side. So we need to add a 2, and now the equation is balanced.
Nice. All right. So this is our balanced equation here. All right. Let's check back on the experiment. We're waiting for it to get down to 22 degrees Celsius, which is within half a degree of room temperature. And once that happens, we're going to use this other instrument here, the gas syringe. We're going to see how much gas is formed. So what kind of gas is going to be forming here in this equation?
Well, here we're going to be forming hydrogen and then zinc dichloride.
Okay. So we can see it here in the balanced equation. Perfect. All right, so still going down.
Almost there.
So what are these little symbols after the...
So those little symbols mean, for example, for the zinc, we have an S next to it. It means that it's a solid. And then HCl next to it is AQ, which means that it's an aqueous solution.
I see.
And then zinc dichloride is also an aqueous solution, and then hydrogen is just a gas.
So these are the reactants here, and these are the products, right?
Yes.
Okay. And we're almost there. Zoom in again.
Okay.
All right, so once it gets to 22 degrees Celsius, we're going to take the gas syringe and we're going to measure how much gas is in the flask. So it looks like we have 92.6 milliliters. Again, that's 92.6 milliliters the volume. All right, well, that's the experiment, so we're going to put everything away and we're done.